I have no leg. You don't have to believe that, it's just kind of I was sitting on my leg and it's so fuzzy now. Anyway, oh, word about lying. Like, someone told me once that when someone's clearly telling a lie, they touch their face a lot and they gesticulate a lot. And I've been watching all night and everyone's gesticulating. And I won't be scratching my face, except sometimes because I have ringworm. That was a joke. Anyway, yeah, I should introduce myself. I'm unemployed, scum, and I'm a vegetarian. Yeah! Vegan pride! And aside from that, I don't know, like this whole last 3 weeks since I got back from college, I've just been looking for jobs. And I'll just do anything. Like, I mean, like, I came here thinking I'd get paid, you know. No. I actually, though, cringy confession moment, I went for an interview to be a chugger. And like, obviously then I chickened out because I thought this is a bitter way of life. But I saw them today, my chugger friends, with their Hanley faces on, and they were like, "Hi, Róisín!" And I was like, "No." And they were like, "Oh no, really?" And then they wiped the faces off when they knew it was me, and they were like, "Yeah, it's shit. They don't pay us. So when are you starting?" And I was like, "I'm not." Anyway, completely unrelated. My mother, growing up, has had like, you know when you get old, you don't really have friends, but you kind of keep the old friends that you had on just out of masochism almost, so that you can have them around for dinner once in a while and, you know, take out the dinner set and serve them food and stay up into the night cackling. Well, my mother, this strange thing, all her friends' names are Marion. No joke. I don't know if any of you have had the same case, but there was a Marion year, like sometime in the 50s, where everyone called their child Marion. Yeah, it's true, it's true. So my mom has 5 cackling Marions, and they come around like kind of on a rotation. Every kind of college term we get at least 1 Marion, you know, and one of them I have formed a kind of friendship bond with over time. The rest of them literally just come around, cackle, stay up all night drinking, cackling, talking about when they were young in college and they would stay up all night drinking and cackling. And like, sure, we were mad, weren't we? And it's just like, yeah, you told that one last time. Anyway, there is this one Marion, and she's a vegetarian too. So I have this kind of bond with her, and that every time she comes around, my mom can't do the usual shtick of cooking chicken. In fact, one time she did, and Marion got really offended. And anyway, this is like 3 weeks ago or something. This Marion paid us a visit, and she was over eating her corn, tucking in. Like, she has a hearty appetite, she does, like a large lady. And she's like, sure, I'll give you a job. And I'm like, okay, yeah, why not? What do you want? Do my filing. So I was like, okay, filing, yeah, I can put it on my CV. Admin, yeah. So I told her, yeah, why not? I'll go around to your house and I'll do some filing for you. Just bank statements, all that shizzle. And I did it. I went round and went through, spent a day just going through every single bank statement going back to 2004. And now there is one kind of rewarding thing in all of this boring admin work that I did. And that's that I got to kind of poke around in other people's things. And I found some pretty odd stuff on this Marion. I found that she had applied for gun licenses. Like, she'd applied to own a weapon. And I didn't even mention it like the next day, but well, when I went home, I didn't think of mentioning it to Marion. She just paid me and I left and I was like, this lady with a gun. I don't really like the thought of that. So I said to my mom, why would Marion have a gun? And she goes, oh, Marion had a really brutal childhood. She grew up in like the country and they keep guns. And they also kept chickens. And they used to just like, you know, kind of raise their own food. And I was like, oh, so, but she's a vegetarian now. Surely, and she seems a cultured lady. Well, you know, cultured in the capacity that she has stuff to cackle about late into the night and drinks fine wines and all that. And my mom goes, no, one time when Marion she was like about 11 years old, her mom said that she needed to learn the ways of the world and she should kill a chicken for their dinner. And measles, sorry. Anyway, oh not measles, ringworm. Well, okay, I'll admit that's bullshit. But anyway, her mom went out for a day to church or somewhere, you know, being God-fearing country folk, and left Marion to kill a chicken and pluck it. And poor little baby Marion didn't know what to do. So she got the gun that they kept to, you know, defend themselves against white vans in the night, and she shot it. And since then she's been a vegetarian. And that's the end.